So hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you a box my dad ordered online. I don't know what's in here yet, so let's figure it out. So two of the tabs are already opened, so I'm going to be opening this tab. There. Wow. Look at that. They're Adidas slides. Adidas. And Adidas. So, I think these are the slides. Let's open it to figure it out. Look at that. They're Adidas slides. They have a nice feeling to it, like a punk, very soft, but also a nice feeling to the bottom. They also have Adidas written on the bottom. Look at that. Adidas. It might do the same thing on that. I like the texture of this. It feels good quality. Feels nice quality. It's Velcro. So you can really adjust it to any size you need to, like this. See, look at that. So as you can see here, it's Velcro. So you can really make it as big as your foot is. If it's tall, you can make it this tall. If you have small feet, small thin feet, then you can make it this small. And I think that's a really cool thing that Adidas added to their new slides. And I think that was really cool about them. I like how they just added the circle right there. And the bottom, as I said, has Adidas. If you notice, it's like an L shape down, and then it's opposite. So you can read it. And the other slide. So if you don't know what I'm technically saying, slides, those are the things that you can just put your foot in without having to use your feet, hands, or anything. You just need to put in your foot and you're ready to go anywhere. So these are not mine. These are actually my dad's slides. These feel have a good sole to them, as you can see here, with both of them combined. And here, over here, there's a badge of Adidas. Same thing here. And on the bottom, it says Adidas. So this was nice, good quality in my opinion. I don't know what you would think of it if you bought it, but in my opinion, this was worth it. So if you liked the video, then like it. If you like these, then also like. If you dislike the video, then still like it. If you want. And also subscribe and hit the ding 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 bell. Bye.